All right, guys, today is an exciting day. Today I get to ask my best girlfriends to be part of my bridal squad, and I'm so excited. I've been trying to make this happen for months now, and now that my wedding is literally 100 days away, I cannot wait any longer. And it was my birthday a couple of days ago, so they think we're going out for a birthday dinner, but little do they know I'm gonna give them gifts and ask them to be part of my bridal squad. A bridal squad is something new, something that I'm calling my girls. They're not really bridesmaids because they're not walking down the aisle with me, but they are getting ready with me, and we're all doing all the bridal trips together like our bachelorette. They're like my 5 closest girlfriends. I don't even count how many. I think there's like 5 or 7 of us. Honestly, they're my closest girlfriends, so I'm really excited because like we couldn't make this happen because our schedules are so busy, and this is the only time we're all going to be together, and it's a great distraction because they literally think it's my birthday and they don't think it's something else. So I'm really excited. I'm about to head to the flower store now, so either I'm going to go downtown and get the flowers, or I'm just going to go to Trader Joe's. So I'm gonna see if I can get them at Trader Joe's first, so I don't have to drive all the way downtown because I live like an hour plus away from there. If not, then I'll have to drive. So let's go to Trader Joe's and let's go figure this out.
So I got to Trader Joe's, but they didn't have what I wanted. I wanted white roses and some greenery, and they didn't have any white roses or greenery. So that meant I had to go downtown, which was going to take me an hour and a half. Right where I parked, there was this place here that had white roses, and they were selling 2 dozen white roses for $15. So to me, that was a steal. Here she is packaging them up for me so I can take them back home. I literally was downtown for like 2 minutes, and then I had to make the drive all the way back home. Next step was FedEx. I went on Canva and customized cards for my boxes, and so I went and picked them up and I cut them myself. This cost me around like $6 or less or so.
Dinner at Cara Hotel, and the stress has literally caused this pimple, I think. What I'm gonna do for my bridal squad proposal boxes is I'm gonna do a breakable chocolate heart, and then I'm gonna do a flower bouquet, and every girl will get one. And then my maid of honor, who I've been friends with for years, I got her a bigger gift, and I'm gonna put that in a bag. And yeah, so I've kind of already made some of the hearts, and I thought I'd show you because I'm like really pressed for time. Like all day has been chaotic and crazy. I had to go to the flower market, which was like an hour and a half away from me. Stupid LA traffic. I had to go to Walmart to get the tissue paper and everything like that. Had to eat and had to make these damn things. They're actually really easy to make. Here's one of the hearts right here, and I'm gonna put their name. I've already made some of their names in chocolate, and I've dyed the chocolate black, so we're doing a whole black and white theme. So I need to make one more, so I thought you guys could make it with me. First things first, you're gonna need chocolate. I just got this from Michael's, and you're gonna just heat it up. Some people do like 30-second increments, but my microwave has like a melting chocolate option. So I'm just gonna put it in my microwave. It's like 1.5 minutes. And I've been testing out how to do this. And when it comes out, and it's not gonna look melted, and you're gonna have to like stir it because the heat's there, and you're gonna have to, it's gonna melt on its own. If you over melt it, then it's not consistent enough. Although I don't know how people make theirs like super consistent. Mine's just all right. They say to add coconut oil or any type of oil to the chocolate to make it like really consistent, but I already got stuff on my shirt. It doesn't really work for me that way. So I'm gonna make the last one with you guys, and then we're gonna put the letter on the other one, the name on the other one, and then the name on this one. We'll get the boxes ready, we'll do the florals, and then I have to get ready, and I have to be out of here in like 2 hours. So I'm always pushing the goddamn limit, you know what I mean? I could have done this yesterday. Okay. So as you can see, the chocolate doesn't look melted, but you just need to mix it around, and it's melting because of the, I don't know if you can see it, because of the heat. So you're just gonna mix it, and it just make sure it's not too clumpy, that everything's melting. You don't wanna overcook this because it's gonna be really hard to work with. So it's already pretty much, I don't know if you can see it, it's the lighting. It's pretty much melted, and it has a little bit of a chunky consistency, so I'm just gonna add a little bit of oil so it gives a little bit of a drizzle. See, it's still not as drippy as some other people that I've seen. So you're gonna put some on here, and then you're gonna kind of move it around if you can. If not, take a spatula or spoon and just get every little crevice and corner. Some people put alcohol, line it because the alcohol makes it shiny. So I'm gonna line it. I only have a Hennessy, so I'm gonna line this with Hennessy and then dab it out a little bit, and then put the chocolate on here, and I'm gonna do one layer. But the most important thing about doing this is that you need to make sure you get all of the corners, because if you tear it out and there's no corners, it's gonna mess up. So make sure your corners are covered. You're gonna do this twice. Pro tip, to kind of get the chocolate even, you can tap the mold onto the counter a few times to even out the chocolate, but make sure you put it back in the freezer for 10 to 15 minutes each time you're doing a layer. All right, it's time to do the last one. This has been so easy to take out and so fun to do. The inside always looks like shit, but that doesn't even really matter because it's what the outside looks like. And I just put it on like paper plate right now until I'm ready to set it. The edging is a little wonky, but that's okay. You can't really tell at all. Now I'm gonna put the letters on for this one, and then we're gonna put it back in the refrigerator. Not gonna lie, these letters have been a pain in my ass. Okay, this is the chocolate heart. I've already made the letters by dyeing them black. So I'm gonna take warm chocolate here and I'm going to pretty much like glue on the letters. So I got these boxes on Amazon. They're a little bit more pricier. And I wanted just to like make sure they looked nice. Like underestimated the size of the box. So the heart kind of barely fits on it. I have to angle the heart. But you know what? It is what it is. You hooked this up already? Oh, okay. Just put some pressure on it. It has a magnetic top like that. So I added some stuffing to the boxes. I'm also gonna take one of these so they can break the chocolate heart. I'm gonna add a little black bow to it. This is what it's gonna look like when they break open the heart. They have their bracelet with their first letter of their name on it, and then my little note. So let's put the hearts on now. All right, here is what it looks like. I mean, Crystal's a little bit messy, but that's okay. It's a thought that counts. So cute, right? The flowers, I already did 3 of them because I'm like pressed for time and I'm giving myself like 40 minutes to get ready. For the flowers, it's pretty easy. You kind of angle the tissue paper and then you lay out your greenery part. I had ferns, and then you layer the roses. You start with a larger number like 6, and then you do a row of 5, a row of 4, a row of 3, a row of 2, and so on and so on. So it came out pretty easy, and then you wrap the tissue paper around the flowers, and you can use tape to kind of secure it like I did there, and then you can take ribbon around the bottom of the bouquet and wrap that just to kind of squeeze it all together, and you can do a bow. Or before I get ready, is I got my maid of honor a topper bag. I got her the purple one, so I'm just gonna pack this up and then we get ready. So when I got to the hotel, I got there a little early, so I was able to set up the table, and I just did it really simple with the boxes on the place setting and the flowers on the chair. It turned out really, really cute. Hey guys, they're like 10 minutes away. Why am I kind of nervous? This is how I laid it out. Have a drink. I'm literally eyeing down the front door so I can videotape the reaction.
Birthday?
Thanks.
Wait, this is your birthday. Why do we get gifts?
Enjoy your little gift.
God. Wait, it's your birthday.
You get flowers.
Wait. What is
Come
this?
sit down.
This is your birthday? I'm so lost. Right? Why does she do this all the time? It makes me so upset.
Yeah. I'm like, we can't do anything special for her.
I'm so annoyed.
This is so cute.
Are you annoyed that she did this for us on
Wait,
her
what's
birthday?
going on? What's going on? No.
Are you gonna sit down?
And then I'm August 6th.
Oh, I put my flowers over there. I don't know if you want to do that with you.
And mine are just behind me. Wait, where are your flowers? I'll do that too.
Do a pageant wave.
Wait, what's happening?
Okay, here we go.
Okay.
Does everyone have different stuff here?
Yeah. Can you put more like?
They all have like
There
different
you
stuff.
go.
Mine
Yeah.
says bad bitch, ringleader, in charge of shower bomb. Wait,
Yeah.
what does yours say?
Cute.
Wow, look at these nails.